I'm starting to be more comfortable giving clients hugs, y'all. But back in the day, I was afraid to give my clients hugs. But that's not because I don't want to hug them. That's just how we were raised in the Asian culture, y'all. If you don't realize it, a lot of Asian, we don't hug. We just handshake or we wave. The only person I see hugging a lot is the white folks. But let me tell you something about hugging, why we don't hug. It's because our mama used to taught us that if you hug somebody, we can get them pregnant. If you sit next to them, you can get them pregnant. If you just touch their finger, you can get them pregnant. Anything that we do that's close up skin to skin, we can get them pregnant. And because of that, y'all, we get really shy about giving people hugs. That's why you don't realize when Asian people, they hug, they don't grab their whole arm and grab your back and rub your back and everything. They got that 45-degree angle where the hip is sticking out and they're only touching your shoulder and the hands is barely tapping your back. That's how we hug, y'all. But what I've learned is that white folk, y'all really welcome the hug very nicely. Y'all make hugging like a casual thing, like nobody's going to get pregnant over a hug. So y'all make me feel comfortable. So lately, I've been giving my client a full hug, y'all, like where I'm coming close, my whole body, my knee is touching their knee, my hip is touching their hip, and I can feel their breast, and I kind of, rub their back and heart to heart. So I'm starting to feel very proud by the way I hug, y'all. But, it comes a long way. It took me 20 years to finally give out a good hug, y'all. But I appreciate y'all white folks for teaching me how to hug. Thank you very much.